Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. I am doing a flip through of my newest digital that I listed in my Etsy shop a little while ago. It is Entomology and Botanical Slides, Labels, Words, and Fussy Cuts. It's 29 pages and it is fabulous. I absolutely love it. I'm super excited to play with it. So I am sure you will probably love it too. Let's do a flip through. Okay, so 29 pages. We have slide style number 1. That's offered in a small, medium, and a large size. As you can see here, there are 3 different styles of this slide. There's this one here that's got all the script and some decoration on there. There's this one here that is plain and ready for you to decorate in whatever theme your journal may be. And then there's this one here that you too, again, can decorate, and it has a back on it. So I just have one here to show you. So you just take the image for this particular slide and you can glue it right in there like that, and it looks fabulous. So there's the 3 different styles within slide style number 1. Then there are also these really cool labels, and I have some images and numbers and such that fill in all the white spaces on all of the pages, of course, in keeping with the Junk Journal Studio's fashion. And so you will love that as well. If you're looking for a specimen slide digital, I think you'll really, really love this one. So I showed you the small, and now I'm showing you the medium size slide and these absolutely amazing labels. And then we have the large, which I'm super excited about because they will make fabulous little tuck spots and little pockets. So I'm looking forward to being able to play with that. And then we have the images for slide style number 1, which is like this one here that I showed you. We have them in the small, and as you can see, it's not just all bugs. We have botanicals and butterflies and flowers, ladybug. Well, I mean, that's a bug, but it's a cuter bug, I think. Mushroom for fall. So there's a few different ones you could play with for different themes and different times of the year. So that was the small. Here is our medium with these absolutely fabulous labels. And then we have the large. More fabulous labels. I love this froggy one. Super cute. And then I have printed all of those image slides on transparency, and I'm super excited about this one. They look really cool. Let me just flip this page over so you can see here. Look at the background. That looks exactly like a slide background would look. And let me just grab here one of these slides that have an opening that goes all the way through. We'll find a large size here. So, oops, so that was the small. There's your medium. And there's the large. I want to show you. Let's pretend this is sitting on a journal page. And we'll do this blue butterfly maybe. And then you have it, this cut out and put in your slides. You can see whatever's in the background that the slide is sitting on, or the pocket is sitting on, which would be super cool. Or maybe it's not sitting on anything and it's just a plain background. I got something on that one. I think I smeared it when it was still wet. Yeah, so really like how these turned out, printing them as transparencies as well. So that was our large. And And then we have slide style number 2, which are these long ones. Again, one that is completely see-through all the way through, and then one that you could actually cut something and put it on the background if you'd like. So here's the first one that's completely see-through all the way through, and these fabulous labels that you can stick all over the slides. They've got authentic different script and notes and stuff from Entomology slides. So there's that style, and then there's this style that has a back on it, and then a whole bunch more awesome labels. Then there are these fussy cut images that you can fussy cut out. Use just a plain blank transparency, glue it on here, and just tack your image inside if you wanted to do that. Some pretty fall leaves and sunflowers, some more awesome labels. And then more things that you can cut out and sandwich in your slides. And there are a few pages that are put together in a freebie that I will link in the description box of this video that give you the backgrounds with the images printed on them for these large slides as well. So you don't just have just the fussy cuts, you have ones that are on a background that you don't need to fussy cut out, and that's in the freebies. So I'll do a flip through of that one after this video. So there's more images. Then we have slide style number 3. This one is the round punch outs, some awesome labels. These would be great as pockets again. They'd also be fabulous to glue onto the back of these as little pockets. Then some great tabs. I love these ones with the bugs and the diagrams. And then these here actually fit on these. You could cut them out and put the words on there if you'd like. And then there are the round images for that slide. And then here they are printed on transparencies. Do I have this upside down? Yes, I think so. There we go. Super cool. So there's one, and then there is 2. Here are 30 words and numbers in 4 different colors and some bonus labels. So we have it in the green, we have it in the brown, all kinds of fabulous words: entomology, priority, researched, identification, ID numbers, specimen numbers, tested, all kinds of great words. Love this little piece of ephemera. Here's some more of those hexagon labels. So for the words, we have green, brown, red, blue, and black. And there are those fabulous labels with some grid background on them. Perfect for doing your own stamping if you'd like to have something on them. Then we have 24 fussy cut images in 3 sizes, and they are all mirrored. So you could cut them out. Let's see, I have a couple here. You can cut them out. Here's these 2 little bugs, and you can glue them back to back. And then you could sandwich it in between transparency, and you would see a bug on, let's see, both sides of your slide like that. And they're a little bit fussy to cut out, some of these, and they're not going to be perfect when you glue them together. But once you get them cut and then glued, you can clean them up a little bit, and then a little bit of Distress ink on there, and they are perfect. So the fussy cuts are really great for that. The fussy cuts are also really great for just embellishing your slides. Maybe you want to put a bug here or somewhere else in your journal that matches the theme that you are using the digital for, or the slides for. So there they are there. And these are all the same images that are on the slide backgrounds. And I've provided them in a little bit of a tea-stained background and then a nice strong border around it. So for those of you that are using a Silhouette Cameo or a Cricut or a Scan and Cut to cut out your images, they should be easy to read. So they're small, medium, large, and then here they are mirrored. I love the ladybugs. Mushrooms in the shell. There we go. There we go. Some more. And then I absolutely love these little round labels that you can use for decorating or whatever you'd like. Super cool little images and stuff on them. And they're perfect for cutting out with your 1-inch punch. And that being said, I just want to grab my punch here, my 1-inch punch, or is it 1.5? No, 1 inch. I make all of my rounds just the tiniest bit bigger than a punch size, so that when you cut them out, you're not struggling to keep white out of your cutout. I hope that makes sense. Like right here, you could just sort of center it where you'd like and punch. There you go. There's your round. And as you can see, there's a little bit left over, and I didn't have to struggle trying to center my punch and not get any white. So they're a tiny bit bigger than the punch for that reason. Then in the kit, we have 4 backing and pattern pages. I absolutely love this one so much. It's so cool. Turned out really good. That would be great. This would be great for using as a base to make journal cards and tags. It'd be fabulous just as a journal page, or used to tear out and collage with. And then here is the same page, but just without the stamping. So you could actually stamp your own or decorate it the way you would like. So there's those 2 pages. Then there's another one with a graph, and it's in the background, the same as the round slide images. And then there is that really cool background that is on all the other slide images other than the round ones. So that is it, everyone. That is your 29 page, is it 29? Yes, 29 page entomology and botanical slides, labels, words, digital. And don't forget that it also has a freebie for those large slides. And the link can be found below in the description box for the digital. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye.